Hey everybody, it's been probably over a year since I did that video on Coin Farm. Honestly, I haven't even been on this site for like a long time. And I was just scrolling through my videos on YouTube and I saw that I made these videos. I'm like, oh shit, I gotta check out this site again. Because I had made a lot of money with it. I know I did that video of I think it was like $800 and something payout. And that did work. I got that money. It was amazing. But it took a long time to get that. But yeah, it says here, I guess they've updated the site since I had done that video. Honestly, I'm just logging in now, and I'm like, oh, let me do a video while I do this. So it says I've been paid out $1303.66, and that sounds right. Like, that's how much money I've made paid out to me from Coin Farm, and I had only invested $100 to get that one upgrade to get started. So I've made over a $1,200 profit off of Coin Farm. And I did do an aggressive advertising campaign on some cryptocurrency sites. So that's how I got a lot of users, and from these YouTube videos, apparently. But yeah, so let's. I want to see what's going on here. Let's check out the warehouse. Holy shit! Birds have laid. I don't even know if you can count this number. Holy cow! Because they've just been laying for like 6 months since I've logged in. Holy shit! Let's collect all these eggs. Oh my god, you can see how fast it's generating eggs and gold because I have so many birds. And it says right here what I have. I have 10,000 beige birds, 10,000 green birds, 10,000 yellow birds, 10,000 brown birds, 10,000 blue birds, 10,000 red birds, and 10,000 silver owls, and then I have 33,840 kingbirds. Oh my god. So yeah, apparently I've just been dumping I've been growing the kingbird, so let's do some more kingbird, I guess. So collect that. Let's go to sell eggs. 100 eggs is still 1 gold. Alright, let's do it. Holy mother. Wow. Amazing. That's a number, huh? 184,514,16312. So that's 100,000 million. So it's 18 billion. It's 18,451,416,312. Holy shit. And a massive amount ready to withdraw. Let's get that daily bonus. Why not? What is this? Again, you get 16. Not great. It's not very good. 10 to 50 now. It used to be 50 to 100. Oh, but you can receive it every 2 hours now. It used to be every 24 hours. Interesting. So in the long run, yeah, you can get the coins even faster now. Huh. Yeah, let's swap some of this, huh? Let's make, it's 100,000. That's 100 million. Successful. I barely dented it. Let's do another 100 million. I barely dented it. That's 100 billion. It's too much that time. want to exchange all this. Alright, I think. Let's go in and buy a shitload of these guys. I have 1,000 of them. So how many I got? 34. Let's do another 10,000. I just bought 10,000 kingbirds right there. Give me 5,000. Let's see if I can get this to 50. It's a round number. It's a 160. Oh shit. We still have so much money. Can we make this thing go to 100,000? Let's do another 25,000. That did work. I'm not gonna do the math. I'm just gonna guess. Holy shit, I think we can do it. Another 25,000. It did work. It's barely going down. I have 100,000 kingbirds. What? Let's do another 50,000. No, that's too much. Okay, this is insane. Oh my god. Okay, let's check to see what I could even take out. What was it? Gold, I think. Was it gold? No. Was it coin? No. Did they change it? It's under rules. I remember that. Let's go. Crystals. Coins. That's what it was. It was coins. No, that's not it. It's not telling me how many. Wait a minute. 1. Crystals. Did they take it out of here? It's not a link anymore. It was coins, wasn't it? Pretty sure it was coins. So they've actually hidden it now. So you can't see it? Yeah, it redirects to referral/crystals. Oh, you can't see what you can get for a payout. Oh, okay, hold on. What was it called? Crystals? Gold bars, crystals. Let's try crystals. Account manager. Crystals. It's probably small city. No, not found. Huh. Okay. Yeah, they've changed this around, haven't they? Is it as simple as balance? Huh. Oh man. Okay. So I don't even know what I could withdraw. Okay. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So I figured it out. So when you do go to account/coins, it does show you that page, and in it is crystals, and it'll show you the crystals that you have. So I'll show you right now. So I was like, I gotta find a way. Account/coins. So that is the page. So right now I have this many crystals that I can use towards withdrawal, right? Like I said before in the old video. So it's like pay years, the only thing working. It's still working now. So if I did say 65, 650,000, you can see the value of crystals. So that's under the 83, but it's like 80 bucks. So technically right now, yeah, I could cash out like another 80 bucks. But I have to dig up all my pay year shit because I'm in America and we're not even allowed to use pay year. So I did that whole thing through a Tor browser. I think the server was in like Europe or something. So I have to get the thing to be on like a Europe server through Tor to even be able to sign into pay year to be able to do it all again. And that took me, I think, 2 hours last time to do that. So I'm not for 80 bucks. And after all the shit's done, it'll be like 50 bucks. So I'll wait. I'll just let it run. That's fine. But yeah. Yeah, where are you gonna see that, huh? Where are you gonna see someone's warehouse with this many king birds? I literally have 100,000 king birds. 100,000 king birds. Let's buy more. Spend on 10,000. That worked. That went down a bunch. Okay, so we can probably do another. Wait, is this not going up anymore? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Idiot. Let's do another 5,000. To whip out a calculator to see exactly how many I could get. Let's try 5,000. No. Okay, let's try. Whatever. But yeah, so that's where I'm at, people. Yeah, so it's about 80 bucks I could get out of there right now. So that's an update for you, so you can see how many birds I have, which is like an astronaut. This is after like probably 3 years of playing this game. I've been able to get this many birds. I feel like it says on the main page, on the account page, I've made $1,300 plus another 80 bucks. That's sitting in there ready to go. So yeah, that's cool. I guess that's it. Have a good night.